Hello everyone, I'm back. And we got another bike. Here's my old motor. 70, 140. Yeah. Rear-X. Fan. Working on the 140. Oh wow. That looks nice. We got rust already on the, whatever it's called. It's funny. Alright.
Backing it in.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Is that a screwdriver? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, we don't have to pause. It's about to start it.
Yup. Alright, let's see. No, I didn't. Oh, you know what I realized?
What?
We have to actually get this off.
What one off?
Couldn't get it off last time.
Oh yeah.
Here. That'll be fun. Alright.
Wow, whoever put my plastics on my seat switched around some of the things. I never took them apart, so it must have been either you or my sound.
Actually, before we do anything, I have to take this off. So let's take this off.
Remember this?
Yeah.
Heat her up. Alright, so we got the throttle thing on. Using this. Like, it was a bitch! Oh, we got it. My bike's faster than yours.
Is it?
Yeah.
You're 250?
Yeah.
Wait, I'll edit that out, don't worry. Alright. Well, chain. We just have that
I
chain.
have to get the chain on.
And then gas tank and the lapels.
But first I'm gonna steal my skid plate. Wait.
Actually, not right now. We'll do that later. The best.
But I have to take those pegs off and put them on this. Because he says that it won't work. Even though it's impossible for those to work.
We probably
on
see
that.
Like later. We
Faggot.
don't need them for like getting it running.
We need pegs.
No.
Yeah?
That far back?
Why'd you put that on? Why'd you put that on?
You did?
But it came off.
Oh. Yeah.
Here we go, I got it.
Oh! Ooh, it's not quite. There we go.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Thumb. Oh, a self-standing SSR. I haven't seen that in a while.
Yeah.
That's a man.
He'll be fine. Alright.
Tiger.
What's next on the list? chain.
Yeah.
Chain and the gas tank. Alright, chain should be easy since it's not, like, it'll just kind of go around it without, I don't know, yeah. Alright. Well, hello. So you got a big mess here. And film over here. You see the back right here. Right here is an SSR 125. It's a 12.5 horsepower. That's what the 125 is. 125 cubic inches. Pretty nice. But that's not what we're worried about. We can just throw that away. Right here. We got the Piranha 140. Piranha stands for a fish. And yeah, so we got, you know, most of it together. We got the throttle on, as you can see, and it works. We got like air filter, we got all that stuff, and it's all pretty much running except for one thing, and I forgot what it was already. We had some problem with something. Yeah, you know, there's like the cover for that, for the flywheel, whatever it's called, stator cover. I don't have the bolts for that, so I'm gonna see if I can get those ordered. Besides that, though, if we attach a gas tank, we'd probably start it right now if we wanted, but YOLO, we don't want to. We're gonna wait, so yeah. Besides that, we got, you know, some throttle and some carb and whatever. I don't know what else we did today, but yeah, we got that. And we're just about ready once we get that cover on and then put it all back together, gas tank, all that. We can get started and drive it, hopefully. But that'll probably be a while since I think tomorrow, I don't know, it's gonna snow for like a while. And today's like the only above freezing day for the next like 2 weeks probably. So maybe in a few weeks we'll have it running. Yeah. Until then, it's possibly another surprise. I'm not gonna say anything, but maybe I'm not sure when, but maybe we'll have a little surprise of a new thing. But you know, you'll have to wait and see. Yeah, 140. Finishing up soon, hopefully. And the battery's dead, almost. All right, goodbye. Thanks for watching. Check out other videos and other playlist. The whole playlist of all the videos of the 140 build. Go check that out. Maybe SSR 125 Adventures. There's a playlist of that. Got a lot of good videos on there. Messing around when it still had that motor in it. And yeah, subscribe if you want. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.